Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. So I have my pieces cut out for my dirty gnome Santa. I have a free PDF on MainelyDIY.com. Also available, we have an SVG file with a bonus item. So here is the hat and the body and the whole piece, and we're going to glue on this face. And I am going to use my Scotch glue stick. It's a nice permanent glue stick. I also like the Elmer's Craft Bond one as well. I'm working on a glass sheet just to protect my surface, and then I can wipe it up later. So put some glue on the back of that, and then I'm going to set it right down there. That's kind of easy to figure out where it goes on there. And then I'm going to just set down where I want his beard and his little muff there, just so I can figure out where I'm going to put his nose. So I want it to look something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down this piece. So I had it right about there, so that's about halfway. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the back of that. Somewhere like that. Okay. So now I'm going to want the nose on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a piece of Scotch tape and tape that nose down. I want my nose to peek up about maybe that much. So what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of Scotch tape and tape that from the back side. Okay, so just like that. So it's going to peek up like that much. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my glue stick and glue up this piece. And the outer edges, I'm not really putting much, trying not to get glue on the outer edges because they might stick out beyond my red piece, and then I just have glue out there for no reason at all. So I'm going to go ahead and position that where I'd like it. Okay. So you could just hang it up like that. And to me that says gnome. And if I want to make it a little Santa, you can go add a little piece on there for his little pom-pom on there, which I'm going to go ahead and do. Okay. This little shape is a bonus piece, and instead of gluing on the back of that, which I already did, but it would be better to put a little glue on the point and then put it on, because then I wouldn't have glue sticking out on the back side. Just like that. And there he is, all done.